Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Amazfit watch to your phone. First, download the Zepp app from your phone's app store. Make sure your Amazfit watch is charged to at least 20% before you begin. Also, remember to turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful connection process. Getting everything ready beforehand saves time and prevents common issues. Now that you have the app, open it and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Next, tap on Profile at the bottom, then select Add Device and choose Watch. From the list, pick your specific Amazfit watch model. Finally, use your phone's camera to scan the QR code that appears on your watch screen to initiate the pairing. Once you've scanned the QR code, you'll see a pairing request on both your phone and your Amazfit watch. Be sure to confirm this request on both devices. The Zepp app will then ask for certain permissions. Please allow these for full functionality. Your watch will then automatically begin syncing all its data with your phone, bringing your health and fitness information right to your fingertips. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A common fix is to simply restart both your phone and your Amazfit watch. Also, ensure your Zepp app is updated to its very latest version. Keep your phone and watch close, ideally within 1 meter, during the entire pairing process. If problems persist, a factory reset of your watch can often resolve stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.